Mahamaya Constituency along Unity, Victory and Prosperity ame ke pamanpon. Prenify player ni Mahamaya Constituency ke parlo sil Dharampuri rong mirdan pathu aklam along Unity, Victory and Prosperity ame ke patupon. Bangsa me along aluhiaman pen Karibang Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang MP Horen Singh be Karibang Autonomous Council Speaker Raju Tiso Deputy Speaker Ajit Kumar De Atum pen danglok MLAs EMs lapen MSC atum tame chetong dun rinti melong BJP Rajcharia song atum rada phan lapen longria phan ke paching thor ponjia phan ke klem pona saya mokha pen nang an than pon lapen kedeng pon thujia saya puthak tame klar dak pen than pachini pon lasolong dong muka ka hithi angbong along kedo long kam teron Memorial Auditorium Hall Children Park lapen towar hei hoi kasalam ponjia phan long itame sompon sonsi Greater Siltharam Pool Water Supply Scheme pen dokmoka Rasinja aklam along kikim ke patang pontang ahem cetame Karibang Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghangari deng pening pupon sing samjin pen rada mepi pajit pon dong mukak pen Daniel Sontimung nang kilo abirta Malang News. Nang litum kelang bom lake Malang News 24/7 hampang aparman klar da kabirta.